But our job is to teach you enough so that you can do this job yourself. You know what I'm saying? You can paint this fire escape yourself. You can do some of the cement work yourself. You can do, or at least find somebody to do it for you. We're a one-stop shop. We've been doing this for 50 years. We just get it done faster than anybody else. And we come along with a 25-year warranty. But otherwise, you know what I'm saying? Have we given you the information you guys need? Would you guys recommend this to some of the other complexes on your street? You guys got a ton of apartment buildings on your street. Would you recommend us to anybody else?
Yeah, I would. Definitely.
Perfect. Do you have enough information to get this done? Do you feel that with another engineer, another architect, another ironwork company, do you guys feel that you have enough information to get it done right at least? You know what I'm saying? Or as close to right as possible. You believe that?
Yes.
Well, then we've succeeded. We still want you to give us the job. We still want to be the company, you know what I'm saying, that helps you. We've given you so many options. Very few people are going to give you a 5-year option. Or as we call it, what you guys are asking for is to kick the can down the road for 5 more years. And we promise to come back and do the right thing. We offer that too. So it's not just, you know, hey, it's the Cadillac service. We offer the bronze solution also, but again, with the city officials' approval. So the key to doing it this way is the load test, which we're now doing over the next 1 to 3 weeks. We're load testing everything, providing what's called a deficiency report of what we now need to fix as a result of this load testing, the minimums. And again, we can get this done right away, and we can have a document for you for April 10th. Otherwise, as you know, the key right now is the city official wants to know who's the responsible party. Okay. And if we're the responsible party, we'll call them, we'll keep them informed, and we'll move these things. And the documentation you have is what gets you, as they say, out of jail. Otherwise, they're gonna want to speak to a responsible party, such as an engineer, an architect, or a certified fire escape inspector. And again, we're all three, to let them know what's the action plan. What's going to be the action plan?